For most of us, your normal cleaning and washing routine will be perfectly fine to keep you safe. If you are concerned at all, if you are caring for someone who has contracted COVID-19, then there are a couple of additional precautions you want to take. Firstly, with the laundry, you want to keep the laundry for someone who is infected separate to the rest of your laundry until wash day. And you're probably going to want to put a liner in their laundry hamper so that you can either take that out and wash it or throw it away. In terms of surface cleaning, generally you'll want to clean as normal, but again, if you're concerned, then a two-part approach is the best bet. So 1 round of cleaning and 1 round of sanitizing using an antiviral cleaning product such as bleach or chlorine-based products, or the good old vinegar and bicarb. You're probably going to want to pay particular attention to high traffic areas, things like doorknobs, communal areas, anywhere where you've got a lot of throughfare. But the other thing to remember is in our current state of self-isolating and everyone hanging out at home, we're not having a lot of visitors. So generally, you're not bringing in a lot of nasties into your home if it's just you and the other members of your personal germ bubble, so your immediate family. You don't have to worry too much. If you're in a share house, if you are a frontline health worker, or if you're having tradespeople through to fix the oven that you're now using after all those years, then practice social distancing, of course, and just maybe give everything that has been come into contact with a quick clean and sanitize afterwards.